So here at Barry, and especially in nursing, the culture of mentorship is our lifeline through the program. And that mentorship starts day one coming into Barry with our BCC 100 classes. Our first year seminar is our intro to college class, and for me that helped me navigate getting through prereqs and all of the things to get into nursing school, and I was able to get plugged into the Barry College Student Nursing Association and have a nursing buddy. And that buddy then helped me continue to navigate that and find new roles and experiences as a pre-nursing student. And now as a nursing student, I get to practice that same mentorship, helping mentor younger students as they try to get into the program and move along through the hard days of prerequisites, and I'm able to become a BCC mentor and help new first year students navigate their journey through Barry nursing.